message. Parang dito? Okay, yun.
Okay, question na kasi.
6 o'clock in the morning, yan, gising. Tapos, 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock, exercise. 7 to 8 dinner.
Sige, let's skip to the part na yung ginagawa mo lang. I mean, yung start mo na siya, susundin mo na ba siya? O yun, paano siya susundain?
8 o'clock pa pala susunduin.
8 o'clock pa pala, nag-start ka na ng 6 a.m.
Oo nga, 6 a.m. talaga yung start. 6 a.m. full day activity siya eh.
So, patamaan ng motor.
Kakapagod naman yung date na yun.
Okay.
Ano ba? Yeah, dinner. In a Japanese restaurant. With the yogurt.
With the yogurt.
Yeah, and pizza and pie.
Lots of love.
Yeah, and as long as you know, we get to spend time together.
Ayan, since tinanong naman si Sam, ikaw naman daw, Colleen, what's your dream date?
My dream date? I'm not the type to like watch movies, eat dinner. Gusto ko, we're doing something fun and we get to know each other at the same time. Kasi kung kunwari mag-date kayo sa movie house, hindi kayo nag-usap, hindi kayo communicate, you don't get to know each other better. So, gusto ko yung ganun, may fun activities and may bonding. And ako kasi I'm a very chill person, so tambay lang.
She likes to chill but doing
Chill
something, may activity.
Yeah, no, like,
How do you do that?
Chill, pa rin naman kasi chill. Tapos, let's play a game or something. Sa'yo?
How about doing that? It's funny.
Ayan. Chill, pero may activity.
Yeah.
So you're chilling.
Kasi
but
parang
you're doing
kung
something
chill the
strenuous.
whole day, di ba? Di nag-bomb ka na
So you're like sitting down while you're running.
No, like, during the day, may activity. Tapos at night, chill, no?
Whole day activity.
Explain naman yun. Eto, ibalik natin yung kilig. Sabi, ginawa namin to before sa other chat, so hindi namin kayo palalagpasin.
What's it?
Magsabi kayo ng 5 things you like about each other, pero while looking into each other's eyes. Ayan. Hindi namin nagawa yan kay Chikara, Aaron, and Direct Nico kasi...
Always.
Paano sila, di ba?
Bakit hindi? Kaya naman. Ginawa nila.
Sa akin sila ako.
Direct Nico.
Ayan, kailangan as in looking intently into each other's eyes. Intently, walang kukura.
Your eyes, your eyes. Your hair.
Your hair, your hair.
Your eyes, your eyes. Your hair, your
No!
hair.
Ayaw ko sa'yo.
Ikaw, you first.
You first. I just answered first kayo.
5 things.
5 things you like about each other.
Alternate na lang tayo.
Sige, I'll do it.
So you still go first.
Your eyes.
Why?
Need to start.
May tanong
Ewan ko
ako
sa'yo. My eyes.
Yeah, she has beautiful eyes. Cute.
Chusero ka?
No, I'm not being a
Beautiful eyes ka, beautiful eyes. No, okay.
Earrings.
You... Not your eyes, sorry.
What? I'm making beautiful eyes na nga eh. Kaya ko maganda eyes.
You're very fun to be with. Yeah, you are.
Huwag ka na naloloko at
Kinikilig.
very fun to be with.
Yeah. Ayaw mo?
Fun? I'm fun?
Yeah.
How?
But what are you asking? How are my eyes beautiful?
I explain.
How?
Just because.
Just because. You're fun.
It's not fair.
It is fair. It's actually very fair.
How fair?
It's not fair.
It's very fair because you said just because. You said just because. It's very fair.
You're
Another thing that I like about you. I only have one eh. I'm just kidding. I can be myself. Ano na siya?
Kasi
Tatawanan lang niyo talaga.
Inis.
Comments.
okay. Tayo naman siya.
Next.
Okay. You know you're perfect. You know you're not perfect, but you try hard and you try your best all the time. Okay, fine. I take it back. Said, you know you're not perfect, but yet you still try. Ay, naku, ewan ko sa'yo. Kinikilig si Sam.
Sabi
Nakakakilig.
ko, sabi ko, I know I am.
Ganun pala kinikita.
Wala na siya.
Wala na. How do I top that? That's so hard to top. Okay.
How many na ba nasabi?
Soon. Soon. Sorry.
Paano ko tatlo?
I know how to top that. You're not perfect, but you want to. Oo, diba? Panalo ako dun.
Hindi niya tuloy narinig.
Pang kilig.
Wala na. I win this. I won this war.
We run the world.
Boy. We run the world. Boy. We run the world.
Okay, this is side kita. Girls, girls.
Wala na.
Yan.
Over.
You know how to weigh your priorities.
I know how to weigh my
Your
priorities.
priorities.
Top that thing. You didn't top that. You didn't. Wala. Unfair.
Why is it not there?
You didn't top it.
I have to top it.
So,
I have to top
so-
it. No, because there's still one more.
I still win.
It's so unfair. There's still one. No, there's still two more.
Two more.
Two more.
See?
Two more. What was yours? See, I already know how this.
You know how to weigh your priorities.
No, for reals. You're very independent and you're very intelligent, very smart.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello.
So hard. Ang lalalim na, aminin, ang lalalim ng amin compared to the others.
Ano ba yung mga others?
No, tipong, ano, I like your smile.
Ganun ba? Okay na ba yun? Okay naman pala yun eh. Here you go.
Okay. I like how you stay true to yourself and what you show to people is like, this is me. You don't hide who you really, I mean, you don't hide who you really are. And you don't fake. You're a true person.
Yes! Applaud me. Oh, I have pa?
Meron pa.
I have one more?
Bisa na kaya umalis.
Wala na akong ano.
Schedule. Puso na lang yung kino-comment ng mga chatter.
Puso na.
Kinikilig eh.
Puro heart lang. Heart lang. Kung
Not
maganda
one,
pang
but
ending.
four.
Finisher. I need a
I
finisher.
need a finisher also. Sige, let's think about it.
Oh.
Hinanansi
Ako pa.
siya.
Sa akin ka balik ano.
Finisher.
Kailangan yun yung sobrang hindi mabibit ni Corina kasi yan yung last mo eh.
Talaga.
Dapat ni-reserve mo yung kanina.
Kaya nga eh. Kasi
I know.
Mali ka. Wala.
Carried away.
yun na yun.
Okay,
Good-
hurry up.
Good number
One.
2 yun.
4.
Oh, good to go yun.
Okay, fine. Sige, si Corina.
May last pa.
Hindi nga dito.
May ikaw nga.
Yun na daw.
Why?
Good na yan. Kasi
Kami
mag-good.
doon,
I said din naman
Good na, sabi ng judge.
May nasabi din naman ako.
3 votes.
Iba yung impact nung kayo sa amin.
Oo.
Okay, 5.
Parang pwede after 10 years yung pa rin yung line niya.
Yung pa rin.
Because it's really true, you know? It's so not perfect.
Sige, sige.
So, group paggawan dyan.
Kasama ka ba?
Fine. I'll say na, because another thing that I like about you, you can be a best friend.
But, enough?
Okay.
Ang dami ko na. Good for 10 points na yun.
Ang sasagutin ka naman eh.
Oo nga eh.
Okay. I'm myself when I'm with you because I'm very comfortable and it's so easy to be around you.
I said that.
So I enjoy being around you and I enjoy your company and it's like when you're not there, it's not complete. Okay, now.
I said that.
When you're not there, it's not complete. Namumula si Colleen.
Yeah, guys, facebook.com/gbcrew. Check out our page.
Twitter.com/goodvibe.
Like?
Goodvibes.
Like,
Twitter, yeah. Like our page. Facebook.com/gbcrew. Twitter.com/goodvibes_crew. Follow me on Twitter at Sam_Concepcion. That's with a CION.
And me, Colleen Garcia, and him, Nawat Chikara.
Now it's got like
Nawat
Chevy.
Chikara.
I like. And Ia de la Cruz.
Yes.
IA de la Cruz. Like.
Ayan.
And not Cherry Pineda.
Ayan, let's call naman yung ano natin, text promo winner natin na si Rialyn to join the chat. Ayan.
Yay! Winner! Join the chat with us.
Para i-award na rin sa kanya yung gift watch niya.
I award you watch.
Ate, I am so sorry. Promise. In less than 3 minutes. Kailangan lang nila mag-moment. Go. Ate, kiss. Hug.
Nakasaman ate. Ito ba? Ito na nakatingin.
Video to.
Ayan, Jim.
1, 2, 3. Okay na po.
Ayan, may
Okay,
chance na
we're
si
done.
Rialyn mag-ask ng
Yes.
one question na lang kasi tight na tayo sa time. Ayan, one question
Aww.
to ask for Sam and Woody. Oh.
Kahit mga after minutes.
Loki. Siya yung
Ayan,
kawawa
ayan, si
eh.
Rialyn, one question.
Kahit mga 1 hour.
Ate, question. Sige, go ate.
Sa mga celebrities. Crush ko. Local o foreign?
Local.
Local. Lalaman niya. Lalaman niya. Ito lang yung sa ABS. Ito. Sino ba? Si Ia de la Cruz.
Hanapin mo siya sa Twitter.
No,
Away
Ia
ako ng first ni Colleen.
Ia V.
Oh?
Oo, si Ia. Hindi ka naniniwala.
Andito ng Costa Rica.
Pia Villana.
Wala.
Pia Villana.
Bakit? Parang natatakot na tayo. Ay, hindi ako tingnan niya.
Paka-surreal mo daw eh. Yes.
Tsaka, sino ba? Sure ako, sure. Bakit sino po ba si Tina?
Ay, tumingin ni ate.
Hindi niya pinapansin si Sampon ka.
Hindi po ako nangangagal.
Sige pa, hindi tayo sabay.
Okay na yun ate. Kay Kuni, may question ka ba?
Pero
Sige,
kung
ate,
sino
kaya mo yan.
crush niya sa celebrity? Sino ito? Same question.
Samuel B.
Samuel.
No, seryoso.
Samuel.
Even before I was in showbiz, crush ko si Samuel. Kasi he's very down to earth.
Exactly.
Diba?
Exactly.
Diba?
Hindi na pigil.
Ay, hindi ka pigil.
Man crush.
Exactly. Sam is so down to earth.
Thanks.
Humble.
Sobra.
Sam Ruby.
Samuel B.
Samuel Lloyd
Samuel.
Basham. Pinoo. Ayan. Thank you, really. Ba't ka